Here's the horoscope for November 22nd, 2024. May your day be joyful and successful. Aries, your energy is high. A great time for new projects, but be mindful of your words to avoid misunderstandings. Taurus, focus on self-care and organizing your space. Unexpected inspiration may appear. Reflect on financial plans for stability. Gemini, you'll connect easily with others. Intuition aids in resolving issues. Loved ones will value your time and attention. Cancer, your detail-oriented approach will shine. Tasks requiring precision will be handled well. Recharge with a peaceful evening. Leo, bursting with ideas and charm, you'll attract positive attention. A great day for creativity and engaging conversations. Virgo, clarity will come to lingering doubts. Stay balanced and avoid overworking. Relax to keep your energy steady. Libra, balancing work and personal life is crucial today. Pleasant surprises in communication may brighten your day. Scorpio, your intuition is strong. Trust it for decisions. Positive changes may open new doors for personal growth. Sagittarius, your enthusiasm inspires others. It's a great day for collaboration. Pay attention to details to ensure success. Capricorn, your persistence pays off. Focus on career moves and strengthening professional ties for long-term benefits. Aquarius, a creative day awaits. Share your ideas, they'll resonate. End the day with meaningful time spent with loved ones. Pisces, inner calm will guide you through challenges. Take care of your health and don't push yourself too hard. May your day be filled with inspiration and positivity.